In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to file taxes with TurboTax Live. Filing taxes can be a daunting task for many, but with TurboTax Live, the process is streamlined and user-friendly. So let's dive right in and walk through the steps together to make your tax filing experience as smooth as possible. First, you'll want to start by heading over to TurboTax Online for the 2025 tax year. This is where all the action happens. If you haven't done so already, create an account or log in to your existing one. Having your personal and financial information handy will make the upcoming steps much easier to manage. Once you're in, you'll notice a navigation bar at the top of the page. Click on the tab labeled Federal. This section is crucial because it's where you'll begin entering your federal tax information. TurboTax does a great job of guiding you through each part, so take a moment to familiarize yourself with the layout. Next, you'll want to click on Income. This is a big part of your tax return, as it covers all sources of income you've received throughout the year. You'll see various options here, including wages, salary, and other income types. Take your time to go through each section carefully and enter your details accurately. After you've clicked on Income, proceed to the Wages and Income Summary. This section provides a comprehensive overview of all the income you've entered. It's a good practice to double-check this summary to ensure that all the information is correct. If you notice any discrepancies, this is the perfect time to make any necessary adjustments. Within the Wages and Income Summary tab, you'll find various categories that might apply to you, such as interest and dividends, rental properties, or self-employment income. Navigate through these options based on your personal financial situation. TurboTax Live offers helpful prompts and assistance if you're unsure about what goes where. So take advantage of that. As you go through each section, TurboTax will prompt you to answer specific questions related to your tax situation. These questions are designed to ensure you're getting all the deductions and credits you're eligible for. Be sure to answer them as accurately as possible to maximize your return or minimize your tax liability. And there you have it. You've navigated through the key sections of TurboTax Live to file your taxes. Remember, the more accurate and thorough you are when entering your data, the smoother the filing process will be. If you ever feel stuck, TurboTax Live provides on-demand support from tax experts who can offer guidance when needed. I hope this walkthrough helped demystify the process of filing your taxes with TurboTax Live. Thanks for watching, and best of luck with your tax filing.